Hey traders, TG Watkins here. I wanted to take a moment and actually show you guys a lot of the trades that we took at the end of 2024 that allowed me and the Moxie traders to grow a small account. I took a $25,000 account up to $64,000 in about 5 months, which was a 156% gain using just stock. Now, I do also do trade options and zero DT, and I'm going to be showing you guys some of that later. But I wanted to show you like, hey, if you just want to keep it simple and trade some stocks, you guys can take some really big opportunities here. And I'm going to be teaching a class April 5th coming up next week. And we have some early bird pricing that I want you guys to know about. So I figured I'd kind of show you like how I was able to more than double this account. So let's take a couple minutes. Remember, this is for educational purposes only, but here it is. This was the account. I said, hey, let's take a small account, $25,000, and let's see what we can do with this because the market was looking pretty great. Basically the economy wasn't rolling over, interest rates were coming down, and things were looking pretty good. And we're starting to see the small caps start to pop off, and it was fantastic. That is the sector that I love to trade. And then I also trade a lot of the leveraged ETFs of the FANG stocks and some other stuff like that, and they were also able to help us. Bitcoin was in there, Tesla was in there, FANG stocks were in there, all that kind of stuff, and this is how we were able to do it. So started out 25,000. I wanted to see if I could double it. I did. I managed to double it in about 4 months in December and got it up to 156%, which is $64,000, actually just a little bit after December, when the market was already kind of in a turbulent area. But this is what we're going to be doing. I have a class coming up in just a few days. We have some early bird pricing. That's why I wanted to get this video out here so that you guys could see this April 5th. Now, we're going to have a class on April 5th teaching you the overall Moxie indicator methodology. Then we're going to teach you how to do the zero DTE day trading with options if you guys are interested in that. And I'm going to be teaching you also about ETFs and leverage ETFs and how I use them to help me see a little bit more than just what the market tells me, okay? I got some pretty interesting things that I think most people don't look at when it comes to leveraged ETFs. So I'll be teaching you all these things, mostly about the Moxie indicator and its trading principles. This is the same stuff that I've been teaching for years. I know it inside and out, and I wanted to be able to show you guys how to do this and how we were able to grow that account so quickly when the market was doing fantastically at the end of 2024. Now, I know the market's a little bit challenging right now, but that is the whole point. Look, the market always comes back, right? It's just a matter of when. And so this is what you want to do, is to be able to prepare and start learning this thing. Because if you guys don't know how to trade the market, then when the market is great, you're not even going to know it, and you're not going to be able to take advantage of that. That was why when I could see that the market was doing well as far as the small caps, hey, I already know how to trade this stuff. And that's why I was able to jump in real hard in August and more than double the account in just a few months, because I already knew how to do this. And so this is why you guys need to be ready for whenever the market is ready to also go, okay? So it's just a matter of time until this market gets itself figured out, and you want to be ready for it too. So remember, go to simplertrading.com/Moxie method. Go sign up now. We've got some early bird pricing. I want to make sure you guys don't miss it. It's going to be this Saturday, okay? So here are some of the trades that we took. Reddit. I'm sure a lot of you guys know about Reddit in general, and they IPO'd. Now, they had some kind of ups and downs until they finally got going. But man, we nailed the trade here. I think it was something in the $50 range. We could actually see this on the hourly chart where we really got the Moxie price trigger. And so all this is based on the Moxie indicator and the methodology. And you could even see here we got the daily Moxie price trigger. And again, after earnings, we got a big pop up. It's always good to kind of cash in some profits, and it was looking extended based on what the Moxie method said. And so we cashed in some profits at 125%. Then the Reddit continued to move up a little bit further, and we took the rest of our position off at 184% gain. And you can see that for the most part, it started to flag. Now, it did go higher. We did try getting in again later after that, but for the most part, that was your momentum. That was the end of the move, and we perfectly captured all of that. I mean, 184% gain on Reddit was fantastic. SoundHound, another fun and exciting one. It had moved earlier, but then we saw that there was something else setting up. And sure enough, after earnings, here's your Moxie price trigger again. We got a nice pullback entry after that. And then we got out at the extension, 127% gain on that. And then just, I think it was like 4 days later, this thing pulled back right there. And I could actually see that it pulled back into support and then started to move back up. We added back in. So we took some profits and then we added into the trade. And so where we added right here, we got a 50% gain. And then from our original entry up to here, we had 221% gain And this is all just doing stock. And so you can see in through here, imagine what if it was options in here. I mean, we have a lot of subscribers in the Moxie room that actually do apply options to these. And I got to say, some of them were turning out some pretty impressive gains based on options doing this kind of stuff. So long call. But look at this, perfectly nailed the exit at the top on Soundhound. And then if you guys go look at this now, you can see that was pretty much the end of the move and it's never come back. So you got to know when to get out of these things too. These things don't always last forever, but strike when the fire's hot and then get out of these things. Tesla, big move here. We traded TSLL as the leveraged ETF. So this is if you don't want to trade stock, there are ways to really capitalize from some of these bigger stocks now that we have leveraged ETFs coming out of them. And this one we actually, well before the election, okay, so this wasn't a political thing. I was seeing this thing setting up long before the election. I had a little bit of a dip in through here. This is what I call a trampoline move. It's when price is below the 50, but the Moxie indicator is above 0. It's like a buy the dip situation. It's a great setup. And you can even see one of our subscribers here, Lulu, was talking about how he just loves the trampoline move and the trampoline setup. It's so promising as far as for a reader. And he said he can relax knowing that it's going in the direction for a while that one can handle the pullbacks along the way. That's the whole point of the trampoline move. And he said, yeah, the methodology, the Moxie indicator methodology is starting to sink in for him, and he's starting to see the moment. Now he gets it. And there's more to learn, of course, but the whole point is that I can communicate this and teach this to the subscribers, to you. And you can actually start to see how I get into these trades, how we know when to get out of the trades, because that's the other thing. You got to know when to capture these things and cash in. And then how to wash, rinse, repeat. Okay, so be ready for when the market finally shapes up again and we start getting some of these things coming back. Okay, because interest rates are still coming down, and if this market just kind of gets resituated, I'm still looking for those small caps to come back because the theme is still there. Anyway, so we had a nice dip. We perfectly tagged the daily 50 up in here, and we rode this one. I knew that this thing was going to be a big one, so we held on all the way until here. We took our first exit 204%, and then we finally got it all out up here at 260%. And man, look at that. That was the top. Now, I did take a couple trades in through here. I wanted to see if it was going to hold the daily 50. Hey, didn't work out. Small losses. And thank goodness we got out of that, because look at this. You would have been round tripping this thing all the way back down if you didn't know how to get out. So 260% gain gives you some cushion to work with if you wanted to take a couple other entries and see if there's still any movement in here. Bitcoin. So we traded BitX, which is, again, the leveraged ETF of Bitcoin. And after about 7 months of a kind of a long-term pullback, I started to watch this thing turn around, and look at this. We got the Moxie price trigger on the daily, which means we got an earlier Moxie price trigger on the hourly, and that is then what set this thing up. We took our first exit at 109% gain, and then once again, I was looking for a re-entry here at the daily 50. It did work for a while, but the market changed, and then we finally got stopped out at 8% loss. 109% gain, 8% loss. Hey, that's how you keep winning in this market. That's how you make sure you grow your account and you keep your losses small. And sometimes you got to pay in order to play to figure out, hey, is this thing going to still work? That was another indication that this market was starting to shift, okay? So this is all the stuff that I'm going to be able to teach you and show you on the April 5th class, is how to get into these things, and then also when the market starts shifting on us, and we need to be prepared for that, okay? So here you go. Showing you guys how to short-term swing trade, because now that the market has kind of changed, you got to really tighten up your time frames, be shorter, have quicker expectations, know when to pivot to day trading if you're going to be doing that. I'm going to show you guys in this class on April 5th how to day trade using the 0 DTE SPX stuff. It's in a method that most people don't know about. I had a lot of really good positive feedback the first time I taught the class. Now we're going to be including this in the Moxie class since it uses the Moxie indicator to trade. And then to short the market. Like, if the market's coming down right now, we want to be able to profit from that. And I can show you where, number one, get out on the long side. And number two, you can turn that around and actually short things if the market's going to be going down. So all these methods that I have and the Moxie patterns are the things that I'm going to be showing you guys. But look at Toast. This was another one where we had a really good entry. Things were looking strong in 2024. And then we had a nice big pop on earnings. And look at that. Perfect exit up there, plus 40%, plus 51% on that, and perfectly nailed the top. And you can even see right there, there's your Moxie price trigger. So we got out just a little bit before even we got that signal. After that, we got another Moxie price trigger that was telling us, hey, I think that there might be some more to this. So we took our first trade, second trade, And then it was starting to look shaky. The market was kind of not doing what I wanted to do. So we actually took a little bit off before earnings, plus 1% gain. And then this thing dropped on earnings, plus 2% gain. And then that was starting to really tell me, like, hey, these trades and these setups are starting to fail. And we are no longer getting our 50% wins. We're getting 1 and 2%. This is a problem. And so what we did is when the market started to roll over, we went to cash, and then we started to day trade. We started to short-term swing trade, and then occasionally we're looking at shorting the market. Okay, so these are all the things that we're going to be teaching you guys. So here are a couple more examples of the big winners. So OKLO, you guys know that the nuclear thing, small modular reactors, was a big deal. We'd been trading in and out of SMR, NNE, OKLO, you know, the whole thing, because they're all moving pretty well. And you can see here, this is basically one of those trampoline moves. Not exactly, but this is one of those patterns that I look at. We actually took 2 entries on this, and then this thing popped off in a big way. And then I feel like some news was coming out at the time, so I decided to take a little bit off just in case this thing wanted to roll over. That was a 45% gain. And then this thing moved up, figured double top right there. We took a little bit more off, 80% gain. And then when we started getting up into this area, there's about 110%, and that was really the end of it. So we took some off, and then our final exit here, right around 110% gain. And you can see that that was the end of the move, because now look at this thing way down here. So again, you got to know when to capture these things and cash in, okay? Because it doesn't do you any good to have great entries and great trades if you can't actually lock in the profits. AFRM was another one. This one had great, look at that. We had a Moxie price trigger, we had earnings, it pulled back into support, and then it just launched. Okay, so this was another one where we cashed in right here at the top, nailed the top, 40% gain. You can see there's the Moxie price trigger telling you, you better be out on this one. It pulled back. I thought there was still going to be more in here, and if sure enough there was, look at that Moxie price trigger right in through here. We even waited through earnings, took some off at 32% gain. And then you know what? The market rolled over and we went to cash at that point. Okay, that was when we saw that we had really good names like this, and then suddenly they got crunched. We exited, we took what we could, we went to cash, and then the rest is history as far as seeing the market come back down here. So again, you got to know when to capture your profits and just say, hey, we got to get out. HNST, this was one of the other earlier trades that we had. Look at the Moxie price trigger right on time. That is where we got in. And then we had another trampoline move, price below the 50, but the Moxie indicator stayed above 0. And then we tested some support right in through there. This is on the hourly time frame. And then this thing started to take off. So our first exit was a 100% right in through there. And then our next, actually our final exit was 140% right there at the extension, just nailing these tops. Like, these are the things that I want to be able to show you guys and teach you, like how you can capture these things and know when to exit properly. I think that's kind of the tough thing. People can always show entries, but they're not really that great at exits. I know how to teach you guys what to do about exits, as you can see here from these examples. And then you can see, to reinforce it, there's the Moxie price trigger to the downside. And again, look at HNST now. I mean, came down, bear flagged for a little bit, and then rolled over again. So yeah, this market has changed, but man, when these things are working out well, this is the kind of stuff that we can get. I want to make sure that you guys know how to do this. So please come check out the class. I have methodologies on how to do this. I communicate to you guys. I give you guys material and documentation like this. Since so I'm a pilot, I use a checklist. I like to use checklists with my trading as well. And I think that's why a lot of people resonate with the Moxie indicator, my methodology, just my basic trading principles, is because I can give them things like this, concrete stuff to say, hey, list by list, you know, A, B, C, D, this is how you actually look at these trades and make sure, you know, things that I was really bad at. I used to be really good at like buying bounces in a downtrend and then a roll over and I'd be like, whoa, what happened? Well, that's how I created this thing, because I kept figuring out I would buy a bounce in a downtrend, then I'd lose money. And then this helped me figure out, oh, that's what my problem was. And this kind of checklist flowchart thing was one of the things that helped me figure out how to avoid that and actually how to buy good entry positions on swing trades, kind of like what we're seeing. Once again, here's RXRX, and you can see here we got back into the trade here. There's the Moxie price trigger, and we hung in through all that volatility, all that noise in through here, because the Moxie indicator told us to stay above 0. And then look at this thing, finally popped off. We took profits at plus 80%. Absolutely nailed the top on that. Now, I really did think that we were going to get more after a pullback, but hey, the market started to fall apart. And so we cashed in the rest of it right here when I could see, hey, now the market's going to really shift. And so 40% gain on the rest of it. So 80% gain, 40% gain. And I'm glad we got out of it because, man, this thing came all the way back down to where it began. So I'm glad we're out of it and we got our money. So remember, April 5th, we have some early bird pricing right now. So come get your seats. It's going to be simplertrading.com/Moxie method. Okay, if you guys have any troubles with that, just call us or email us. Reach out to simplertrading.com any day of the week during the business days. We're always there available on the phone. And you're going to be getting the indicator. You're going to get the class. All of this is recorded so you guys can rewatch it anytime you're going to own it. We've got some bonus things in here. We got the Moxie stock watch list. I'll show you guys how to do that. You can scan for stocks using the Moxie indicator. And then, as I said, if you guys do the Pro or the Elite versions, we're going to be doing some extra stuff for you. We have 2 more days of class. We're going to do the ETF breakout. It's going to be talking about how I use leveraged ETFs like TSL, BitX, a couple of these other things, how I use them to actually show me more information than what the stock itself is showing me. And then we're going to be showing you guys, since this market's a little bit tumultuous and has a lot of turmoil going on, a lot more volatility, you got to really shorten up your time frames, and that's where day trading comes in. So I'm going to show you guys how I day trade using the Moxie indicator, and you can do any principle around that. You can use futures if you want to. But if you want to know the zero DTE stuff, I'm going to be showing you guys that as well too, because there have been some things that over the last year or so, even I learned that I thought was revolutionary as far as how do you trade zero DTE options on the SPX. Since everybody's talking about it, it's kind of a big thing out there. We know the stats. The more than 50% of the volume is now zero DTE. So if you guys want to be part of that, I'm going to show you how I learned and how I apply the Moxie indicator methodology to day trading with these options. Pretty cool. We've had a lot of good positive reactions about it. And then, of course, if you guys want to get a little bit more education and learning about this, I would highly recommend also you're going to be signing up for the Moxie Indicator Mastery. This is the trading room where everybody comes in. You guys see me live on the mic every single day. I continue to teach these principles, reinforce them more than just the class, and how you guys can walk in my footsteps in my shadow and see what we're doing. And I can guide you through this market, especially now that the market is really kind of all over the place. So we've been popping off some trades. Of course, there have been some challenging trades. We've gotten stopped out on some stuff. That's just how the market goes. But I want to make sure that if this market's really tough for you and you don't know what's going on, this is the kind of class that's going to give you the understanding, the fundamentals of how to trade through these difficult times and recognize when things are actually much better, and then we can start working on those big moves like I showed you at the end of 2024, because we all know the market will come back eventually and you want to be ready for it. So come on over April 5th. It's this coming Saturday. We're going to be doing the class, and then we have early bird pricing up until the day before. So that like this Friday, okay, early bird pricing, then they go up if you guys are interested. Simplertrading.com/Moxie method. All right, guys, thanks again, and we'll see you there.